Okay, so this is my bathroom after like 2 months of hard work, painting, sheetrocking, and hanging curtains. I love this color. It's called wet pavement. It's very sleek, very farmhouse. I got this idea from Pinterest. This is just palette wood on some hose clamps and a mason jar. And I just got some little rope at Hobby Lobby or Michael's and got it onto that board. Also, same right here. Actually got this window from my uncle. It's old window pane. I used that rope that I got from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. On some clothespins, got some pictures developed at Walmart. After like 2 months of hard work, painting, sheetrocking, and hanging curtains. I love this color. It's called wet pavement. It's very sleek, very farmhouse. I got this idea from Pinterest. This is just palette wood on some hose clamps and a mason jar. And I just got some little rope at Hobby Lobby or Michael's and got it onto that board. Also, same right here. Actually got this window from my uncle. It's old window pane. I used that rope that I got from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. On some clothespins, got some pictures developed at Walmart. I got cut off, but I went to Walmart, got these developed. That's my graduation. It was in California. It was on our farm, and just got some clothespins and hung them up in there. A little cute idea off Pinterest. This is a little shelf that I built also. Let me stand back so I can get a good picture of it. But this is a shelf. It's just palette wood. I got these at Hobby Lobby. Screwed them into the wall brackets. It cost like $2. Very affordable, very cheap. I found this sign in my mom's room. Also got that at Hobby Lobby. This at Bath and Body Works. A cute little mason jar with some what are these called? Potato vines in there. And a little picture frame that I found in the trash. So that's cool. Let's see what else. This is also, and then this is also another picture frame. Picture frame that came from a window actually. The window, found it with the window out of it. And I got this little sticker at Hobby Lobby. You can just stick it on the wall and it won't come off. It stays on there like really good. Real good. I like it. It's very cute, very chic. I actually made this sign. This is also just palette wood. Let me stand back. Palette wood. I got some white paint. I'm hanging it down on there. And then I got this at Hobby Lobby too. As you can tell, Hobby Lobby is my favorite store. Just screwed this on there. It's cute. All these little signs that are in here I did. So yeah, home, get naked, outhouse. This is my fave too. Let me stand back, see if I can get a good picture. Let's see. This is an old window pane. I had it taken to a little window shop and they put the glass in here for me. Had that done. It's like $90. Not that expensive. And then right here, this is another mason jar. As you can tell, I like mason jars. Just got some little cotton at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for like $2 and put it in that jar. And that's a little scentsy pot with some scent. Yeah, and that's about it. In the shower, I'm gonna do it before of the shower because I have a little bathtub right there. The shower's right there, obviously. And yeah, so thanks for coming along. Oh, and also I forgot my floor, and these were 98 cents at Lowe's. And some little glue that goes on the floor. I actually did this all by myself. So it took like forever. That's why the process was taking so long. Did the 4 by myself. I think it turned out really good. So yeah.